Every freaking government document is full of crap. It's all fluff, and it's all written by people that actually don't do the job.
Bro, you're a reckless driver, dude. Protect your Porsches.
Like, can you imagine texting your mom? It was AI doing it for you. That's crazy to me.
It's crazy to us.
I don't want my own thoughts to get lost in a world where AI takes over so much. I have like a running list of AI-isms that I add in to say, hey, don't forget, we're not using these. It needs to be a structured thought based on my original thought. Don't make it your own.
That is like a genius book idea. AI-isms.
One platform that I think has honestly getting it right as far as AI generated content is Claude. Claude is really, really good.
Bro, you seen that thing about the penguin?
Yes. Oh,
Yeah.
the one you're telling me about. Yeah.
The one who death marched. See, here's where I got lost because the internet's just a wild place, right? But like I got lost diving back into this, and that's the scary thing about AI. You just don't know what's real anymore.
Right.
You have all these scenes now. It's not just like it's all this like AI B-roll and stuff like that pertains to whatever you're talking about. And I like went down the rabbit hole of that penguin. And apparently like, I think in 2007, 2010 or something like that, there's a documentary of that penguin that like death marched the different direction than the rest of the pack of, you call them packs? I don't know. Anyways, went the wrong direction, basically a suicide mission. But like the rabbit hole I went down, like, was that it had continued to death march for like 20 years. You know what I mean? And like it died in 2026. And it like showed, that's where I don't know if it was AI, because like it showed like the path that it took inside of all the mountains, which is that's a weird situation for the penguin. Like, why do that? But then two,
how do they know it took that path?
What's that?
How do they know it took that path?
Well, it's just what? Right. So you calling me stupid? Is that what you're saying? That I should just power deduction? You know?
Well, no, I think it's true. I'm just going, how do they show the path that it went over the last 20 years? If I don't, was this a documentary of somebody following the death march at penguin and they had all this food and didn't feed the damn penguin? That's horrible.
You know what? Now that I look at it that way, that it's pretty, pretty garbage, dude. Stop this thing and turn it around. You know what I mean? Like, golly. Show
you know what? You know what? For the next 20 years, I'm just gonna follow the penguin. I'm not gonna give him back to his family. I'm not gonna do any of that. We're just gonna death march with the penguin, right? We're gonna be full. Our belly's gonna be full. We're gonna have great places to sleep. We're solid. I'm just interested in what this penguin does. And
every day, brand new cup of Joe. Stretch a little bit. Yeah. Beautiful.
Right. Still going the wrong way, bud. Turn it around, Jerry. Turn it around.
Yeah, bro. Dude, could you imagine explaining to your family, you go home for the holidays, you know what I mean? You're like, hey, so Steven, what have you been up to? Let me tell you about my life.
Death marching with the penguin.
Death, documentation. Yeah. No, but it's a scary time in 2026 that you can just go down a rabbit hole and you can get invested. And then at the end of it, you're like, it's like when you're reading that text on Facebook or whatever, and I don't miss them at all, but like you're like going through, or not text, but like the really long post, and someone's like saying something very abstract, and you're like, oh my gosh, they don't talk this way. And then it gets to the bottom and they're like, but if you went through this entire thing, then you're an idiot or something like that, you know? It wasn't even real. That's what it feels like in 2026. Anytime you jump on the internet, social media, whatever the case is, get sucked into the death march penguin for 26 years, you know?
You know what's crazy? The way to stand out in 2026 is to use your own thoughts.
Let's lean in on this. That's an interesting thought. Choose your own thoughts.
Use your own thoughts. Write your own words.
Holy cow, you're not wrong. You're not using, because I know I saw your LinkedIn post and was it you? So somebody, I think it's kind of a narrative that's out there where it's like, who was it? It was Adam.
Yeah. Oh, on TikTok. Yeah, Adam Weisner.
Weisner, yeah. And you were talking about how like if I create a post or a text to you in AI and then you grab it and you respond to it in AI and then so it's just AI just talking to itself. Because if I respond in AI, because I take your thing and I shoot it in there, craft me a response, and then the initial reaction or message to begin with was AI. I mean, then it's just AI. There's no human to human contact or conversation anymore.
0% is there.
Yeah. So what you're saying is the way to step out of that in 2026 and to stand out is to have your own thoughts and write your own text.
That's literally how you stand out.
Do you think we'll get to that point with AI where our text messages even will just be this like,
no,
give me a general idea or like concept and I'll just write the rest of it for you?
No, I can't imagine being that disconnected. Like that's disconnected.
That is pretty, yeah.
Like, can you imagine texting your mom and it was AI doing it for you? That's crazy to me.
It's crazy to us, but like, imagine, I mean, all we're doing is just absorbing all of this crap on social media anyways. What we would do in a situation like that, if like you and I have had a text message string all day long through AI specifically, and neither one of us responded to each other, it was just AI having a conversation. I'm not saying you and I would do it, but the average person would go back and read all those texts. Oh, it was saying this. They would soak it up. They'd eat it up.
Bro, can you imagine at the end of your day of what we already have to do, and you look down at your phone to 286 messages missed, like, and then going back to read that conversation that you had no part of? No thanks. This is why I don't do group text.
Yeah, no kidding, dude.
This is why I don't do large group texts, is because I'm not going back and reading 26 messages. Like, I'm not doing all that.
Especially our AI. Our AI would be sitting there trying to figure out how to kill both you and I. Like, it'd be like, hey, how do we band together and take these two dudes out?
Yeah. Like, what are that? Like, we don't even know what they're talking about.
Yeah, I don't even want to see it. This started getting really weird around text number 26, you know?
That's what I'm saying. Like, it's just odd. Like, I would never, I could never do that. So, like for me, it's funny. Like, right before I came over, I was talking about, not talking about, I was like, I think I want to, like, write like a pseudo blog, like nothing, just my own thoughts. And that's it. Just thoughts.
Wait, before you came over to where you are now today?
Yeah.
Okay.
Before I came to the studio, like I was literally going through like WordPress and like going, okay, that's a cool, like just looking at block templates, because I was like I don't want writing, and I don't want my own thoughts to get lost in a world where AI is just takes over so much, right? Like I have a bunch, I have a lot of AI agents that do a lot of my work for me today, right? But I don't want to be so far disconnected that I can't even use my own thoughts. I can't even think for myself anymore, right? Or I don't even know how to structure a correct sentence anymore, right? I never want to get to that point.
Yeah, you know what I started realizing, especially when I'm doing long prompts or long things that I want like polished, the longer I write, the more content I am with it. I like write it out into like Claude or ChatGPT, and I'm like continuing to like expound on these different notes and different styles and tones and all that kind of stuff. By the time I get done with it, I'm like, I'm not sending it to chat. I'm like, I'm just gonna post that. Like, it was good. It was good. I thought my stuff was good, you know?
Yeah, exactly. That's how it should be, though, right? It's your own thoughts, it's your own everything, right? And I think it'd be cool to have ChatGPT where, like, a lot of what I do now is I do a lot of brain dumping. And out of that, like it'll take what I have and just clean it up, because I have a lot of like or stiffs or misspelled words, so it just cleans it up, right? It's the output is literally my words. It's just actually in a correct sentence now. And so that's what I do a lot now. I haven't found a good way to take transcripts, because I do transcripts in my notes app. but I haven't found a good one because you can't connect to Notes app with any AI agents because Apple has it just locked down. But I love to be able to just brain dump my thoughts and everything that I have, right? And then be able to take that and AI automatically clean all of it up, and then I can just take parts of that and that's what I write about, or that's what I post about, or that's what I send to you as a thought, or whatever it may be. You know what I mean? So yeah, I don't know a good way to do it though.
Yeah, I want to know who the originator, like, or this narrative developed from. If it's just standard open AI and like a prompting algorithm, like what it is, but like the whole idea that when it writes your stuff, because I have to tell it every single time and it drives me nuts, to stop doing the style and tone of not because of this, but because of that. I hate that, dude. Like nobody says that. Nobody even talks like that, right? Am I tripping? Like that's not even a thing in real conversations. I don't talk to you and go, yeah, so I went to this Italian restaurant, not because I don't like this, but because this one, like nobody does that. Where's that coming from? What open AI like algorithm is that like generating from?
Yeah, that has to come from like the models itself, because I've never seen that, and I hate doing that. So what I do for that, to kind of build that out of it, is I have like a running list of AI-isms that I add in to say, hey, don't forget, we're not using these, right? It needs to be structured. It needs to be a structured thought based on my original thought. Don't make up your own.
Brother,
so it's almost like it's almost like adding a disclaimer at the end.
That is like one of the, I hate to even say this on air, but like that is like a genius book idea. AI-isms.
Yeah, AI-ism, just a literal list of things that AI does, and then you just tell, hey, don't do this.
I started a podcast because I stopped wanting to wait for the things to be said. Not because important things weren't being said, but because I'm like, dude, shut up, bro. I'm like, I'm sitting here like fighting with my AI in the dark.
It's just like, so irritating, bro.
It is, man. I'm like, what is
it? It is very irritating. And I'm just like, what? I was like, no. Like, I think one was like, this isn't destruction, it's organized chaos. Or something like that. Yes. Like, what the crap? No thanks.
What are you, a villain? What's going on here?
Funny enough, the one the one platform that I think has honestly getting it right as far as AI generated content is Claude. Claude is really, really good.
I said that, dude. I spoke too soon, and now my Claude's like, "You're a hero." Oh, you're so right. I'm like, dude,
what did you tell it?
Here again? How did I get here again, bro? I need you to audit me, bro. Audit my AI chats, man. No, don't.
I'm gonna have to, man, because at this point, this is two different LLMs in a row that's giving you the same thing, and I don't get that. So I'm thinking,
now it's starting to look suspicious. Now it's starting to look like I'm sitting there texting
for real. Pretend make me feel good.
Make me feel good.
Make me feel good when I tell you this. Tell me my ideas are amazing.
I'm not going to give you credit, though. Okay, I'm going to bash you behind the camera.
For real, though. No,
between you and me,
bro. Like, yeah, my Claude is fantastic. Like, I mean, like it'll do exactly how I need it to do. It'll structure. I mean, it structures it so well. It writes documentation freaking phenomenally.
Yeah, I wish I could figure out. Like, obviously you can. I do think it's pretty cool. Like, if you go, hey, I'd love this artifact visually presented as a photo. It'll figure out like a whole bunch of ways to like do it and get it to where it is. Just wish it was a simpler process and didn't take us long. Because it comes up with some pretty legit visual artifacts, man. I just wish you could share those and actually like be displayed like that.
You can't share artifacts? You should be able to.
Not as like, I want to download this. You know what I mean? Like you could share the chat, like artifact, I guess.
Oh yeah, because it doesn't actually do images?
It's not real. It's just a code. It's just
Claude
a code.
Does image generation though.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like you can do it, but like it takes a good little bit for it to like process. Like it has to download this thing and then like go through this process, download another thing, go through a process, and then it spits you out a version of what it looks like. But I wish just the artifact as it is, once it's come up with your prompt, is like solidified and you can hit download as a visual piece. That'd be pretty legit.
Screenshot it.
Have all the answers in front, whatever, bro. It don't always work that way if like the artifact has like an extension to it, right?
What do you mean?
Like if the artifact is like scroll based, like left and right, horizontal, then things are cut off. You can't really screenshot just everything that's on there.
You can blow it up into full screen. You can full screen it. It's
not AI do whatever.
It's not just a space that big. You can do full screen on the artifact itself. Yeah, user error. I see it. I see it.
I asked you today, man. Help me out, dude. What the heck?
I was late. I was, but I messaged you back, and you didn't message me back around it, so I left it alone.
You want more context? I'm just gonna send. The context is like I'm gonna send you the document.
Oh yeah, don't do that.
Why?
You can't send me the document.
Why?
Is it a document that's from work?
It's public record.
Is it a public record?
Yeah.
Oh, is it for is it like a regulation?
I don't know what you're talking about anymore.
Or an audit? It's for an audit, right?
Where's the camera? No. I do all my own work, bro. Don't look up tax receipts. I'm sharing it to everyone.
It just hit my head of what you were doing. I was like, oh, yeah, dude, got it.
Bro, look out, man. Golly, dude. Whatever, bro. I was being vague there for a second.
Aren't you guys all about productivity?
Aren't you in compliance and,
That's compliant.
Yeah, it's public record.
Public record.
Yeah.
So, yeah, just take the public record document.
That has nothing to do with the audit.
That has nothing to do with the audit. Take the public record document and say, hey, make this into a list that I can do.
Yeah. That's all it is. It's like, it's just a checklist.
Yeah, turn this into a checklist, get rid of all the...
What's that?
Oh, this is how you do it. Upload the public record artifact, and then say, turn this into a checklist that I am able to do, remove all the fluff.
Simple as that.
Literally that simple.
I don't know. There's a lot of data on it.
Doesn't matter.
Well, how does it know what fluff? How does it know what the fluff is versus what?
Because every freaking government document is full of crap.
Oh yeah, it's full of a ton. Yeah.
There's like 3 sentences in the entire regulation that go, oh, that makes sense, and you got to read 1,800 pages to get to those 3 sentences.
Yeah.
So like, it's all fluff, and it's all written by people that actually don't do the job.
You're not wrong there.
I know. Trust me. We've had many public comments on a lot of regulations, and I was like, who wrote this crap? Oh, contractors that we were. I'm like, did they ever do this job, or are they just writers? Oh, they're just writers. I'm like, how are you gonna, what? Because what he wrote doesn't make sense in practice.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I have a lot of issues with government policy writers that actually don't do the job that they're writing about. That's like ghostwriting. Ghostwriting. Like, you're in transportation and you hire a ghostwriter for basket weaving. Like, what? Well, they're a writer. No. It doesn't work that way.
Someone hurt you. Someone scarred you.
Oh my gosh. The DOD, that's what scarred me.
Yeah. Yes, tell us more, brother.
Flipping DOD I'm sorry. Hold on. DOW. There we go. I apologize.
Huh? Is it DOW?
DOW. It's DOW now.
Instead of DOD?
Yeah, it's Department of War.
That's right. That's
It
right.
literally is.
Is it really?
Yeah, literally it is.
Oh,
Go look at on the website. Go to the website. It says Department of War on the actual government website.
Why was that done? Why was that done?
Why?
Why?
Because that's what they are. Department of Defense. We make weapons.
Of mass destruction, yeah.
Okay. Literally. And so,
like,
like legit, this is what we do.
And have you seen the graph comparison to how many air defense vehicles other countries have comparatively to the United States?
Oh, it's freaking small potatoes, bro.
They're like, oh, 16,000, all this different thing. And then it gets to the United States and the graph is like shot through the roof. You know what I mean?
Yeah. We have 20,000 or something like that.
I think it's
insane. Yeah.
It's close to 100, dude. We have a lot of Air Force aircraft. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm just saying, I think it's
Canada. Or chill out. You know what I mean?
What are they going to do? Pour maple syrup on us?
Yeah, right. A, B, you know, I could do the alphabet too. Like I got a buddy, I've got a buddy who just so happened to be our 300th follower on TikTok, and he's from Canada. He's going to see this and be like, what the heck?
For real. Like their most violent riot is somebody holding a sign going, I'm kind of mad.
Prime Minister? Like, catch up, dude. Come on. You know?
Right.
Who calls him so bad anymore?
Right. Well, they can't say PM because everybody's going to be like, are you a project manager?
I hate those guys. Can't stand those guys. Project managers, man. That's just a fancy way to say you're not doing this well.
I'm the PM of Canada. Oh, can you imagine somebody just meeting him for the first time at a conference? They're like, yeah, I'm the PM of Canada. Oh, that's great. You're the project manager? That sounds about right.
Free healthcare is pretty legit.
Yeah, sometimes. So I've heard different things about it, right? It is, huh?
You say sometimes?
Well, because the one thing that I've actually heard from Canadians is that they're like, hey, look, don't get us wrong. Free healthcare is actually really good, but it takes a very long time to get things approved.
I can imagine that.
Yeah, it takes there's a large waiting period. And so now I don't know if that translates into you having to wait to get things done or you're out of pocket until then. I don't know. But I know that it takes a long time to get things approved.
I need to be careful because I'd really like to go on a train ride in the Rockies. I'm not going to do that if, can't even have a DWI and get over there. You can't cross the border with a DWI.
Guess I'm not going.
Do you really?
No.
Oh, I would have. I wasn't going to doubt it, dude. You're a reckless.
What the crap?
Bro, you're a reckless driver, dude.
I am not a reckless driver. You drove me once.
Don't let him in. Protect your Porsches.
No.
Porsches.
Porsche. It's Porsche.
Porsches. My bad. Sorry.
Porsche.
Etiquette. Yeah.
It's not Porsche.
I don't know. It's silly. I don't want to get into politics or anything like that, but
no need to. You know what? That's probably where the penguin went.
It's in China.
So screw this. Screw all of you.
Yeah. Pretty sure that's pretty far away. I think that China would be the worst place that it could go, if I'm going to be honest. If it has anything to do with its health, They eat pretty interesting animals.
I'm not going down this rabbit hole with you right now. We're going to get canceled before we even get...
Brother, you are a race baiting dude. All the time. You're also pretty far away from the mic. Yeah, okay.
Can you hear me now?
Very HD now. Yes, that's wonderful.
Good. It's the Verizon commercials.
No, yeah, it's just there's so many things are happening, dude. AI. That was such a valid point, though. To stand out, you just be original.
That's it. You're welcome. You can go to sleep happy now.
Yeah, I actually can. Yeah,
I know.
I'm gonna start doing that. I'm gonna start challenging the algorithm with some original stuff.
Or don't use the algorithm at all. Are you talking about like social algorithms?
Yeah, I mean, yeah.
I thought you were gonna say you're gonna go to the LLMs and challenge it with your. I was like, no, that's not what I'm talking about.
No, because all it's gonna do is come back and go, "Did you mean not this way, but this way?"
For real though, like legit, dude. It's so freaking
Over it.
stupid, man.
I'm over it
too, man.
but it's productive. It's a great tool. It's a great tool to have, and you know,
It is. It is. I like it a lot. I'm learning to utilize it in a more productive way. And so, yeah, I'm excited to do more with it. And so I've been using Taslet. And so,
automation.
Taslet, if you're listening to this, I'd love for you guys to sponsor us. No pressure, but some pressure. I need to pay bills, so that'd be
that's
great.
how you deal with too. Yeah.
Help me to pay bills. That'd be great. Thank you. I appreciate you guys. This has been a perfect spot for your logo right here. So just saying we had the space for you.
Shamel,
Don't wait too long. Don't wait too long, or we're gonna go to pipe drain.
Hot commodity.
But not using Taslet, it's been really good, man. So I'm on the highest. I have to upgrade to the highest level now because I've already ended my quotas. So that was quick.
Really?
Freaking A.
Oh, really? It's like those
Evidently, I'm a heavy user.
Yeah, man, it's hard not to be, right? You start going down the rabbit hole.
Well, yeah.
Automation.
Like, automation. Automate this, automate that, automate that, automate that.
I'm gonna
Fantastic.
figure out how to automate my my dog's dog food order.
What?
I don't even want to think about it.
Just feeding him?
Me a package.
Oh, I do that.
Do you, Petco?
No, Chewy.
Chewy.
What
brand?
Huh?
What brand of food?
Taste of the Wild.
That's it. That's the one, man.
It's literally the same one as yours, the purple one, right?
It's a good one. Yeah. Pacific.
Yep. Lamb.
Pacific. Yeah. Is that why you started doing it? Because you saw mine?
Yeah. Honestly, yeah. Literally.
I think that you're trying to be me, dude. I think we should talk about that.
You're right. Let me go to Caribbean to get a little more tanner. Yeah, get a little bit more tanner.
There's something happening on the cheeks. I don't know. It's like
literally. That's what I'm saying, man. I think I'm morphing.
I can't even go to Layered anymore because you might be there. Like, frick, man.
Don't tell me about it. I love that place, actually.
It's wonderful. Have you gone to the Fairview Farmers yet?
Yes, I have. It is fantastic.
Wonderful. Yeah.
Yes, I ate the edible flower too.
Yes, dude. Thank you. It's wonderful, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a fantastic place. It's very busy, but it's a great place.
Oh yeah. Yeah, you better have 4 hours. Your belt.
It was a fantastic place. I love Layered. I like Layered just slightly better. I think the food at Fairview Farmers is is a little better, a little more fresh. But I like Layered because of just downtown McKinney.
Downtown McKinney, go on a Sunday morning. It's just you catch up with that person that's like right next to you that is way too hungover. Wearing sunglasses inside.
Yeah,
it's the environment.
And so yeah, it's chill, man. Like Jessica and I would go there, just hang out, chill, and knock out like
great lattes,
great coffee, great conversations, hang out, chill. Sometimes we just have really cool, just off the beat conversations, and we go there sometimes just to like literally knock out some work.
Yeah, it's networking, dude. It's a fantastic area for networking. Just downtown McKinney in general, man. It's a very hidden gem I guess, yeah, to some degree, but
yeah, a little bit.
Yeah, it's popular. Fourth wealthiest city in America.
Is it really?
McKinney, it is.
I didn't know that.
Yep, fourth.
What's number one?
No idea. Probably somewhere in California, I would imagine.
I didn't know that, dude. That's actually pretty interesting.
Yeah.
We're not going to get fact checked on that, all right? And they're going to be like, huh,
dude, you're in front of a computer.
I don't want
to. Be sixth. We might be sixth at this point, but we were fourth for a while. It is a popular. What's that?
That's how I'll take a look at it.
Yeah. Check it out.
Sweet, man. I'm tired.
It's been fun. Always fun. Appreciate the conversation.
Of course, dude. I'll hit you up in the morning. Maybe. I don't know. We'll see.
Yeah. Whatever, dude.
Wait. Might keep you waiting. Play hard to get.
Whatever, dude. All right, man.
Peace out, bro.